Good morning. So today is very sad. We have to go home today. It's our last day and yeah, it's really sad. So we have to start driving home soon, but we are going to have a very fun morning because I believe we're going to go to Disney Springs and walk around and have lunch. So yay, that's going to be exciting. We're looking forward to going and doing that right now. But yeah, then we have to head home. It seems like this trip went so fast. It seems like that all the time. Like a week is never enough time in Disney, it feels like. It just seems like it went so fast. But we had, I mean, we were so blessed with like an amazing trip. We are so just thankful that we were able to come and do this because this was amazing. Like this was like the best trip. Just the best trip ever. It was amazing. We had so much fun. It was like every day was just a perfect day, perfect weather. It was beautiful. We got to see the new Christmas offerings. We saw the new projection show at Hollywood Studios, the pass holder event we went to. So there was just so many great things that happened this trip and we're so happy. But yeah, I wanted to go ahead and real quick do a little room tour before we left. I know I did this when we, the vlog when we checked in when we first got here, but I was still vlogging on my iPhone. Now I got the Canon G7X rolling, so I was like, maybe I should, you know, film more of a bit high quality footage to remember our room here. It's not as nice as when we first checked in. We've lived in it, but yeah, I figured still I will go ahead and show the room. So, okay, let's go back down this hallway. And I'll give you, this is always where a good room tour should start, is the entranceway. So here we are. When you come in, this is what you see. It's very, very nice. And then this first room here, this is kind of flip-flop of some of the rooms we've stayed in at this place before. This is one of the king bedrooms. So this was my room this trip. And this is the first time I ever slept in a king-size bed, and I could get used to it. It was nice. It was just like, every way I rolled around, I just had all this room. It felt like it was very nice, so I enjoyed that. And TV on the wall there. Very, very nice, very spacious room. I was quite happy with it. I even have a big closet here. I didn't end up using this at all. I usually just live out of my suitcase when we travel, but if you needed this, I mean, this is a huge closet. That's pretty cool. Bathroom, very nice, all the granite countertops. So that's that. And okay, so let's go back out here. If you go right across the way, so here's this main hallway again. If you go into this room, no one used this room this trip, but this is like, there's two, are these two fools or two queens? I'm not sure, but two nice beds in here. Very big room. This room, I don't know if it's like just because that one has a queen or king bed. This room feels bigger. So if you were sleeping two people or so or more, it's definitely very nice and spacious. Same thing, TV mounted on the wall there. Here is a walk-in closet, or not walk-in real so, but nice closet, just like the one in my room. And then a bathroom in here as well. That's the thing we love so much about this place, is that each room has its own connecting bathroom. So it's like everyone can have their own space, and getting ready in the morning, it makes it so, so nice. So we really love that. So this is this bathroom. And here's everybody. Hello, hello. Good morning. Here is the kitchen. Show off the kitchen, Mom. The kitchen. It's very nice. Granite countertops, stainless steel appliances. Very nice. So yes, we enjoyed this. They give you a little coffee maker and everything. There's a blender and a toaster. Pretty much a fully stocked kitchen. They also give you all the forks, knives, all your utensils, silverware and everything in here, there's also, oh, these stools here, a little breakfast bar. Dining room table, very, very nice. Got some cool artwork on the wall. All of this, and then right here, this is the family room, living area. And then this is also a pull-out bed, so if you had more people staying here, this is a pull-out. Have the TV there, a little desk area, and then the balcony. And then this is a golf resort, so that is one of the, I think it's like the 17th hole or so. So yeah, we've seen a couple golfers this trip. That's always fun to watch. And then in here, this is the master suite. So this is my parents' room. They have another king-size bed. Very nice. And then there's another entrance to the balcony. The balcony is huge. Or in this case, we're on the bottom level, so I guess the deck. I mean, this is still a continuation of what was over there. It is massive. And then there's actually 2 walk-in closets you get with this room. So here, this is one of the walk-in closets, a safe. It's really big. And then on this side also is another walk-in closet. Lots and lots of space there. And then in here is the bathroom, shower, tub. Hello. Double sinks, the granite once again, and then toilet and everything in this little separate area. So yes, this is the Wyndham Reunion Resort. We've stayed here many times. We absolutely just love this place. We're ready to move in. We just want to stay forever. So highly recommend this place if you ever get the chance to stay here. If you are interested in booking it, it is awesome. So yeah, so now we're making our last couple swoops of the room, making sure we have everything we came with. And yeah, it's sad, but we had the best time ever. It was amazing. So yeah, and I think, are we still going to Disney Springs?
We're going to Disney Springs.
Yay, Disney Springs. That'll be so fun.
We have lunch there before we
have to hit the road.
Yuck.
Yuck. That's right. It's always so much better, like if you're road tripping, it's like coming down doesn't bother you as much because you're excited, you have all this energy. I feel the same way about flying as well. It's like, because but then it's like going home just seems like a drag of like.
But we're gonna make it fun.
We are gonna make it fun. Yes, we are. It is an adventure. Oh, should we say about our experience this morning? That was kind of crazy. We had, okay, so my mom lost her iPhone, and this was just, and like, she is one of the most organized people I know. Like, she does not lose things. She doesn't. And we were packing up everything. Pretty much everything was like in our suitcases, already zipped up and ready to go. And she can't find her phone. So we're going around, I'm calling it, and like,
can't hear
it. Was it even, did we figure out, was it on silent? Or?
No, I believe
it was on. That just makes it even more creepy. But so it was just crazy. We're going around. It got to the point, like, and she said she literally just had it this morning.
I just took a picture in the room, and then it was gone.
Like, minutes later, so it's gone.
We went through everything, absolutely everything. And so then I thought I was starting to get freaked out and upset. And I said, okay, calm down. Pray. John prayed, your father prayed to St. Jude. And literally, I turned around, and it was sitting as plain as day on this table right here. Right there, where there was nothing. So, thank you, God.
Thank you, God. It was a miracle. I mean, that was just, like, I had goosebumps head to toe because, like, it was crazy. I've never experienced anything like that. Because my phone was sitting right next to it. So I would have seen my phone when I set it down, and like we were taking everything out of her bag, everything out of my bag, because we have the same backpack, you know, if something got mixed up. And I mean, we had everything laid out on this table. We would have seen it. And then at one point stuff was all off this table, and we were looking at an empty table like we are right now. There was no way it was there. So God put it there, and it was a miracle. And yes, watching over us here on our trip. So that was awesome.
Now we can head out.
Head out. So we have everything now. But yeah, that was our little cool story from this morning I wanted to share. And now we're going to Disney Springs. So yay.
Let's go have water, and I think that's it.
That's it. Let's look at the view one last time. Bye, reunion. Until next time. Oh, look, there's some golfers right now. Do you see them out there? Oh, he just hit something. I can't see where that went.
No.
Was it a good shot? So here's the current state of the car. Everything packed up to go back home. We had to put, since we now are coming back, always come back with more than you come with. That's how vacations just work. So we had to put this seat down to make room for everything, and just, you can see there, the entire back seat is full of suitcases. So we're set to go. Craziness of the car. But we're gonna keep it organized. I did good coming down, didn't I, Mom?
Yes.
I was very good. So I have a better reputation now as the, I don't trash up the back seat.
Yep, you helped us keep it organized.
I did a good job.
Okay, so we just ordered at Deluxe Burger. My parents went in and ordered, and I staked out a table, and I got right here by the water.
Look at this view. Like, this is the best. I'm just sitting here when I was waiting on them, just watching the world go by, and it's amazing. Okay, here is our meal. We have the fries, and then we have the 3 classic burgers. They look delicious. Like, you can just tell when a burger, it's like, that's a real burger. That looks so good.